Hello and welcome to Locks. Do you want a fresh new look? Are you ready for a style that turns heads? You are watching the best trending braided bald head hairstyles. This is a top collection of ideas. It is time to skip the usual braid and love this amazing braid trend. We are celebrating a look that is bold, confident, and super creative. It's not just a hairstyle, it's a work of art. These styles are fierce, stylish, and perfect if you want to wear braids without having hair underneath. They give you a sharp, neat finish every time. We are showing you the coolest style, neat braided bald head hairstyle that shape your face perfectly. We found the best looks. You have to try and see. Continue watching this video as we show you stunning braided bald head hairstyles, ideas, and inspirations you can try. Give this video a like, subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas, and tell us your favorite braided bald head look in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Locks for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas.